Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. If the video looks a little blown now, I'm sorry. It's really windy and gross and gray outside. There's no light, no sunlight, so we have a ring light and I brighten the camera so you guys can see. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining again for another video. If you're new, thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to. We do beauty, fashion, home decor, food, plus size shrine hauls mostly, so if you're into that stuff, please subscribe. Trying to hit 200k soon, if that would, you know, that would be nice. Also follow me on Instagram if you're interested in seeing hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, fashion, all that kind of stuff on Instagram. And I also have TikTok. Everything will be linked down below. Welcome, thank you for being here. You're a part of the glam fam now. If you missed our first video with Nasty Gal, it will be linked down below in the cards and you can just scroll through my videos. It was 2 videos ago, I believe, and today we're doing another one. Thank you Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate you guys. I'm so excited to show you these items. We have more summer stuff, dresses, bikinis, all that good stuff. Hey, so let's get into it. Also, a hair tutorial for this look is on my Instagram. I will leave the link for that in the description as well. And I didn't do a makeup tutorial for this look, but it's one of my basic looks. There is a ton of makeup tutorials on my channel as well as my Instagram. All right, so let's jump into the video. If you're interested in seeing short versions of these, I post reels on my Instagram, and I did do a couple of TikTok try-on hauls. So if you want to skip watching this entire video and you want to just see the snapshots of the try-on hauls, check out reels, check out TikTok, because I know sometimes you don't have a lot of time. But the link to shop everything will be down below as well. If you shop, please use the links down below. It really helps me. I make a small commission, but more than anything, it shows the brand that you guys like this content, which helps me in turn create more content, so it's a win-win for all of us. All right, before I keep going, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we have here is this white halter top swimsuit. It's not the best fitting on me. I'm pretty sure I got a size too small. A little like, and also I have like flat pancake boobies, so it's not the most supportive for me, but it does have padding. Again, I think it's just because it's a size too small. It's not hitting me in the right places. To show you guys, because it's so beautiful. It's so like classic glamour, just giving me very Marilyn Monroe 50s vibes. It's so pretty, and it does have a nice support to it, so it like sucks you in really good. So definitely one of those options where if you don't like 2 pieces but you still want to be sexy, this is a go-to faux show. Next we have this really cute little hot coral red. It's like a Dalmatian kind of polka dot print. The top does run big, and so for me, I had to take like a little hair tie and tighten it so that it would fit, because the straps are just way too long for me. But I do like that there is enough coverage and enough support for a bigger chest, but you still get some cleavage showing. For the vibe, it's very comfortable. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything, so I really like that, because I'm not the kind of person who likes heavy, thick underwire, and like, I don't like, my dog's on the bed, that's why I'm looking over there. I don't like swimwear that feels really constricting, like a heavy duty bra. I prefer lightweight. Even if my boobs look a little saggy-licious, I don't care. They're real and I love them and they're gonna do their thing. So for me, I just like comfortable outfits or comfortable tops, and you guys know I don't even wear bras. So like for me, I don't need all that underwire and push up, and I really like that this is like a regular bikini top like anybody else. My issue is with the bottoms, just for me, because you guys know I'm so hippie. And if I was smaller, I wouldn't mind how this looks. How hippie I am. My entire hips are out. I don't think that it looks particularly bad or anything. I mean, you guys know that I have a nice little shape, and I know that, and I like my body and stuff, but I personally just wouldn't feel comfortable like running on the beach and like doing what I have to do with my hips all out like that. Next we have another similar bikini, but this one is a black and white zebra print, and this one fits a lot better. I don't have to adjust this one at all. It has a nice little like plastic clasp in the back, and it actually fits really nice. It almost fits like it was meant for me. It has a decent amount of support, and it has a nice thick stretchy band underneath that I think also helps give that extra support. Again, has a nice wide triangle, so it covers but not so much that you don't get any space out here. I like the comfortability of feeling naked. I mean, that's the point of being at the beach, and I really like that. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this summer. It's so cute. The straps are adjustable, which is amazing. The way that it came was perfect for me, but if you do need more room, it is adjustable, so that is another plus. And again, the straps are nice and thick. Again, we have similar bottoms here, but these have a little bit more coverage, so I guess I would feel a little bit more comfortable wearing these because they're still slightly high-waisted, but again, they are still cut like high thigh, so you get a peekaboo of the hips and the hip dip and all that good stuff. And I think it looks really cute. Again, I would probably wear this if I was more on the beach alone. Since we're on the topic of covering up, I thought I'd show you guys this cute little crocheted. You can tie the little knots for your shoulder for as big as or as long as you need it, which gives you some extra length, some extra room. So cute. For me, it fits a little bit snug around the hips because this is a size 18-20, and you guys know my hips, when it comes to dresses and bottoms, I usually go for a 20-22 because she got it done. She got it done. So, yeah, it's a little snug. I think I could still get away with wearing this, especially if I wear it a few times and let it stretch out. So this one is really sexy. I love the long tulip or trumpet sleeve with the little string, and you can leave it loose or you can tie it in the back to give it more support and kind of hold it up. This is more of a cover up, but again, this is so hot for just those days when you just want a little extra cover, you know, a little, if your problem area is like stomach or hip area, but you don't mind your legs out. So cute. Like, I can definitely see myself wearing this in Vegas, like for just to lay out, if I just want to, like, you know, hang out, not feel too self-conscious, or just for the vibes, because honey, you can still see this body. It ain't even about that. It's about looking cute and fly, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Again, like I said, everything is out, so it's not, you know, it's see-through. It's not like you're hiding. I love this. The color is so unexpected. It could go with something colorful, something neutral, prints. I love this. This one is a 22. Okay, so I have the zebra print bikini underneath this, so if you see the black and white, that's what it is. But this next piece is so gorgeous. If you saw my TikTok video or my Reels little haul, you would have seen this already. I am obsessed with this. It's the most beautiful sage green lightweight little dress, and it is beautiful. It has this gorgeous long high slit. It's a maxi style with perfect slightly ruffled arms, which gives it the perfect like dressy vibe. And I love the deep v-neck here, the tie waist. I mean, it's like the perfect comfortable dress that you can dress up or down. I could definitely see this being worn even as a bridesmaid's dress for a beach wedding or a garden wedding. Again, a dress for a wedding that I'm not gonna attend. Someone invite me to their wedding. I'm being totally serious. If you're in New York, New Jersey, hell, Connecticut, can I come to your wedding? I want to party. I want to enjoy life. I'll celebrate your wedding with you, girl, because you know I got married in 2018, so I ain't got no weddings coming up. I'll wear this to your wedding. But I think it would be really pretty as like bridesmaids dresses if you're on a budget, because I think they look so gorgeous, ethereal. All of your girls would love wearing this. It would look good on every skin color. Again, that little bit of detail right there at the arm just gives it this gorgeous silky draping. It's maxi and it has a high slit. It is pretty high for me because my hips make the dress wider. Big hips like me, you could always get this stitched by a tailor, or you could just put a safety pin there. It gives like a very ethereal fairy vibe, and it's just so beautiful with some heels. This would definitely give me wedding guest dress vibes, and it's so lightweight and airy. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Next we have another dress. I believe it's the same cut and same style. It's just a different print. The material also feels a little bit different on this, but again, same little drapey, silky sleeve. I just wanted to stock up on some really nice little dresses that I could throw on when it's hot, and I just want to look clean and fresh and beautiful and just like a little fairy. I think this is like one of those perfect dresses you can throw on for a special occasion in the summer, but also for a nice date night, a rooftop, a brunch, and it's just so easy peasy. One little step and you're ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break from trying on clothes to show you guys some of the accessories I picked up, and then we'll get right back into the clothing. So I got these gorgeous sparkly earrings. You guys know I love anything sparkly. These are so beautiful. They have like this gorgeous square shape, which I love, a little bit rounded, that gives it that kind of gaudy 90s vibe, vintage vibe, 80s, 90s, which is my favorite kind of vibe. They are post, and I love that they have this like these like iridescent rhinestones of all different colors, like duochrome, but they're not super rainbow. It's just the perfect little amount, kind of like opalescent, which makes them beautiful for just any occasion, because they look kind of high-end and expensive, but they have that little bit of color, which makes them really nice for the summer. They're just so gaudy. But next we have some sunglasses. I wanted to add some trendy little sunglasses to my collection. Normally I go for like a classic large mirrored aviator, or a classic cat eye is my all-time favorite, but I wanted to change it up, get a little bit trendy, you know, when you're having a little blazer moment, a little straw clip, not straw clip, claw clip, like I have in my hair right now, little 90s moment, you know what I mean? And I love, love, love the square on these, but again, it's a little bit rounded, and it's like a matte black frame, which is so cool, so chic. These are really nice too. Like they're lightweight, but they don't feel super cheap or anything. Okay, next for accessories, I grabbed these ginormous, ridiculous gold hoops. I think they're so much fun. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the and you guys know, as a Bronx girl, I love a big hoop time. I mean, these are ridiculous. They're absolutely ridiculous. Why? I love them. I just love, oh my god, with the zebra print. Who is she? She's that bitch from the block, okay? From the South Bronx. Don't fuck with me, okay? My hoops don't get bigger. Okay, they're so big you can wear them as bangles, which I'm obsessed with. If you're a girl from New York, tell me if they used to do that. I think Friday night, white tee, blue jeans, red lipstick, very minimal makeup, no gaudy jewelry, no gaudy purse, no gaudy shoes, just red lipstick, the big hoops, white top, jeans. Woo! Classic, a little bit skanky, but in a good way. I love it. I love these. Okay, lastly for accessories, these amazing ginormous cat eye. So like I told you guys, my favorite thing is a really nice cat eye sunglass, but these are ginormous and I love them, and I just think these are perfect for the day after a good Friday or Saturday night, or for Monday morning when you when brunch went on all day, because we know those 4 o'clock brunches, they hit us on Sunday morning, and so you need a big sunglass. And I love, love, love these. They feel so good on the face. They're really, really comfortable. I really like these. Again, ginormous cat eyes, can't go wrong. These will fit anyone's face. So these are definitely gonna be my go-tos for the summer. When you're at the beach, you wanna wear big glasses that cover as much of your face as possible to prevent the sun from hitting your eyes. Obviously you want to wear SPF, but you definitely want to cover that area, because the cute little thin frames and the cute little shapes, they're not actually covering your face, but these are actually covering a lot of your eye and protecting that skin. And you know, after 20, girl, you start aging, okay? So don't play yourself. You could be 22 and cute, But if you don't put SPF and sunglasses on, you're not gonna be as cute as me when you're 30, baby. This next dress is so cute. I think I might have gotten it in a size too big. I'm still wearing that bikini underneath, so if you see it, that's what it is. I figured if I'm gonna have to put undergarments on, might as well leave a bikini on. But yeah, you see the arms are kind of big on me, as well as the bottom. I think I got it a size too big, but it's still really cute. I feel like a little strawberry. Like literally, I feel like a giant strawberry. It's so cute, so comfortable, and it's not too short either. It's actually a really good length. I could definitely see myself throwing this on again in the summer when it's hot. I just want to throw something on to be comfortable. It's really comfortable. It's super stretchy. All of this is actually stretchy all around, as well as on the wrist. It has like a stretchy material. So cute. It's actually roses all over, but again, it kind of looks like I look like a strawberry, and I love it. I like a little strawberry fairy. Again, so comfy. It does have a lining underneath, so no worries about the material being see. Okay, we're coming to the end. Next we have this beautiful top. I'm obsessed with this. It has this gorgeous little mini frilly peplum, and I love the cut of this because on the hip it goes up, but then it has a little flap that kind of slightly covers the belly, and then it also has an additional little flap that kind of covers the back here, which is really great for someone like me who has like gapping in their pants. I can't wear like super short blouses because I always have gapping in my jeans, and I just need a little bit extra coverage, you know? So this is perfect. I love this. I love the v-neck here. It's so flattering, and then I love that it has like this stretchy wrist situation. I just love the little peasant, little Bridgerton, again, little fairy and a garden vibes. I feel like I'm a little hummingbird fairy, a little Thumbelina. I loved Thumbelina. Did you watch Thumbelina? Actually, her hair kind of looked like this. I'm serving little fairy vibes with my hair today. But I love this, and again, the print, it's giving me very country chic, French country chic, which is like my aesthetic, like that cottage French country. And I love the like colors of it, because you have the green, the pale yellow mustard, the pale purple, the pale blue, gray. It's just like this gorgeous, like I said, like country, French country, Monet painting kind of print to it. And then you have the double layer frill at the wrist, but it's so girly and pretty. Like, you'll definitely be see me wearing this soon with some jeans. Okay, and to finish out everything, we have this amazing little animal print silky blouse, which I'm obsessed with. In my last haul, I showed you guys a couple of tops like this, of these kinds of like silky button downs or animal print kind of tops. I've been wearing them since literally like 2018. I just love them. They're so easy. Again, I love that kind of like masculine vibe, but with the female textures and prints. Well, I mean, nothing is really female or male, I'm just saying. I love the like silkiness of it with the animal print. It's very popular, trendy this season. Animal prints of all types, not just leopard. So I love that you get a little bit of everything, because it has like leopard, it has tiger, I believe it has like giraffe and cow all mixed in. But the color and the way it's done is just really nice. I really like it. Again, it's like silky, and it has buttons here, buttons down, and then the collar is just so nice. And I like to kind of leave it open like this. It gives it a more relaxed feel. Something about tops like this just remind me of Miami. I think I just miss traveling. I want to go to Miami. I don't care where. I want to go to Miami. I want to go to Vegas. I want to go everywhere. I'm tired of being here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate you all. Thank you to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. Again, all the links will be down below. Definitely check out these items. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. Everything that you need to know will be linked down below. I love you. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.